some key concepts that you learned in Algebra 2 that you will need for pre-calculus. So the first one is functions. We've probably noticed a pattern by now that functions are important throughout all of our math courses. But in Algebra 2, you talked about function graphs, transformations and things like that, properties of functions, composite functions. And if you don't remember what a composite function is, that's something that might look like this. And inverse functions. If you forgot what an inverse function is, that's something that might have looked like f to the negative 1 power of x, or we say f inverse of x. Then you would also need to have a strong foundation in your knowledge in polynomial and rational functions. So starting off with polynomial division, you might have learned this with box method was one method. You may have also known synthetic division, or maybe just polynomial long division. Those are all great ways. You've talked about complex numbers. Those are the ones that look in the format of a plus or minus bi, where a are your real numbers and the bi part is your imaginary. Zeros of polynomials, another word for a zero is an x-intercept or a root. And rational functions and their graphs, what their graphs look like, and nonlinear inequalities.